Hello, long time no vlog. Today I'm going to make peach mango pie. So the ingredients would be peach slice, 1 cup, sugar, salt, cinnamon sugar, corn flour or cornstarch, frozen mangoes because mangoes are not in season at the moment, and puff pastry because I'm lazy to make my own pastry. So first off, prepare the heated pan, and put 1 cup of peach. Next one would be 1 cup of fresh frozen mango. I don't think that's enough, so I'll add half. So I have to let it sit for 3 minutes over medium heat. Then add 3 tablespoons of sugar, a dash of salt. My salt is half teaspoon of cinnamon sugar. Get 2 tablespoons of peach syrup. White thing is from and while I was waiting for that, I have 2 teaspoons of corn flour and mixed with water to make it a bit thick. Right, so the mixture is thickened now, so I have to wait until it cools down to room temperature, and we will then put the filling in the pastry. Now, some recipes they will tell you how to make the dough, but I don't have the time, so I just bought puff pastry, and we have 1 piece of egg for the egg wash. Next step is to put on the filling on top of the pastry. My peach mango pie